Thank you, Mr. General Evaluator, fellow Toastmasters, and our newest member, Megan, and especially Larry Heap. Larry has presented us with his 8th speech, is that correct? And it was from the 8th, it was 9th speech, all right. It's 9th speech, and it was from the Competitive Communication Manual 8th project, and it is about get comfortable with visual aids. And I especially love Larry's speeches, and I have special affinity for his voice modulation and presentation and overall his speech. I wish I had a voice like that. But this particular project is all about how comfortable Larry was today here with the visual aids which he has used. There are a few things which especially I marked in this speech. I thought that when he opened this visual aid, that was pretty much appropriate. I had a bit confusion about this one. I thought like that's the one he's gonna present. That might have caused a bit confusion, and I had a quick point that it's not readable. But it was surprised and it was appropriate time that he went on and he presented this, where he has heading properly here, and the triangle was appropriately visible to all audience. So I thought the placement was okay. It just that first initial confusion that would have avoided. The time and the way you approach, you slowly move here, and then that exact moment you opened it, that was the right way of presenting visual aids, rather than keeping it open all the time and people thinking all the time what it is all about. I thought that the triangle which you presented helped in your topic. First of all, that arc is not a word basically as a single word, it is ARC, and that ARC is marked on the triangle. So I thought it was appropriate to use the visual aid which you had, and it helped. And you again and again referred back going to the same triangle throughout your speech. I thought it was a smooth and it was a seamless. I didn't find any of the things which could have improved there. A couple of things apart from the visual aid I liked about your speech today was throughout the speech you asked several questions and make audience more curious about what's coming up, and then you answered with a lot of examples, for example, and then you involved into more details. So that's a nice thing which kept us engaged throughout the speech. One more improvement I would suggest that since this project was all about the visual aids, and what we had was only one chart throughout the speech. I thought that if it's a visual aid, then you could have gone little bit more length, and then presented some more things, took something out of the pocket or something more which you concentrate on it.
Good idea.
But overall, I thought like whatever you used was appropriate, effective. It was smooth while using it, and it added the effectivity to the overall your speech. So that's my overall evaluation. Back to our general evaluator.